I miss the old Kanye, straight from the gold Kanye. Chop up his soul Kanye, set on his goals Kanye. I hate the new Kanye.
Yo, let me tell y'all something. So it's February, right? So today's the 3rd of February and I leave for Cape Town in 2 days, which is on the 5th of Feb, and I'll be using a bus, so I really need to get my shit together. Today I'm at home, so yeah, I probably might go to my main. Guys, I just put, do you guys remember the stick-on nails that I bought on Temu? Yeah, so I had them put on by my girl Mello. Like, look at this, bruh. Actually, I like this. Anyway, check my girl out. She's a DIY girly. She's a beauty. She's a beautician. She's a beauty therapist. Literally, she does hair, makeup, nails. She's a nail tech. She's a makeup artist. She's a hairdresser. Anything beauty related, she's your girl. I can't believe I'm leaving her behind. You know when you're actually used to having your go-to person for beauty, and I have to leave her behind? Sad. Tomorrow I have to go gather around a list like of things that I have to go buy. So today I had like proper plans, guys. Like I had plans with my cousin. We had to like go out. We had to go out on Saturday, but we had like a fasting thing at church, so we were only breaking our fast on Sunday. Yesterday, today's a Monday. So yeah, now she's having financial problems and I'm not that rich either, so yeah guys, don't I look good? Don't I always? I mean, like, guys, y'all, come on, don't ever play with me, for real. Anyway, yeah, my room has been a mess, so I'm not gonna show you guys my room because it is literally messy. See what's going on there? Yeah, you don't want to see what's going on here, or there. All the corners of my room are literally occupied. But aside, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Period. I'm gonna make tea first because I need energy. It's currently this time. I haven't eaten at all today. It's still very early for me to even eat, so yes, I just need tea.
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely, living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me, just love me. If I didn't ride blade on her, would you still love me?
I'm gonna put some music on so that I can work quicker. I feel like you just know your girl when all you do is check your emails. So guys, one thing about me, I'm playing music with Spotify right now, but off Safari. I use Facebook off Safari, Gmail off Safari, YouTube and Instagram off Safari. The only apps I have on my phone are WhatsApp, this is a Hollywood Beds link thingy, Messenger, and my banking app. Literally, those are the only apps I have, bruh. See right now, let me show you. Let's get to work. pressure. Guess I gotta learn my lesson. Do you guys get the concept? This is my granny's. Lily of the Valley is my grand. This is my dad's. This is fire. I found this in my mom's things and I'm taking it. I also found this. It's from It Can Last Forever. I'm taking this. This is from 2019. You gotta look in your eyes, stare around to my soul. This is gorgeous. Hello, I got a little. I know this would eat with that blue skirt I have, bruh. This would eat. Look at the shirt design. I'm gonna try it out, but I'm not gonna take this because this was gifted. My mom was gifted this by my grandmother, her mother-in-law, my grandmother. This could work.
Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Going so fast to hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but ain't too much to play yourself. I'm not the one, but you can still pretend this can't be my man. You say you feel different when you with me, tell me anything. Compliment my energy, it's different laying next to me. All I ask is don't make me pull up and get the topic. You know I can't.
Oh, my mom and I, we are gonna drift, my girl. We are so gonna drift. This is by a company called Candy Rocket from USA.
My panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. He bossy, he rockin' to me, just lost in it.
I have a problem with all my jeans. These things, like especially here, it's for me. Guys, this is like my butt crack commercial. Imagine if I had a trim tattoo here. These are for white people because they don't have no ass, bro. This looks good. This looks snatched. And then you find people that know how to make it. I promise I did not go to Turkey for a video. I need to work on my waist because I need to be snatched.
In my mind and word, would you still keep it 100? I'd rather you trust me than to. keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah. Only for life, yeah. Only for life. Let's get it. Hit that shoulder. I know what coming over me.
This is one of my mom's
Extra
skirts. Mom has a lot of skirts, guys. Yo, today's day 2 of actually packing. It's getting to like 7 in the morning. I am so tired. I'm so tired. Those are all the tools I'm going to take. I have so much things besides clothing, accessories, shoes. I have to pack my hugest tripod that's like a sniper. We have to take so many bags, but I think we're gonna take 2 suitcases, 1 bag for food, and another small bag for like my things. Like, yeah, I'm gonna take a bag with a few things. I'm gonna carry that bag with my suitcase, and my mom's gonna carry her suitcase with my bag, my suitcase with my other bag, because she's coming with me. So yeah, that's that. I'm gonna do all of this off camera because it it makes me take longer. Me actually recording shit makes me take longer. So I popped the nail off because yesterday was very hectic. Very hectic, I tell you. But it's cool. It's gravy. And I just hope I don't leave anything because I literally leave tomorrow. I'm probably gonna vie in the morning, like around, I carry my bus leaves at 1, so we're probably gonna leave my house at 10 and go to Joburg backstage. You know, Gabi, like I'm taking a flight, but now I'm going with my mother. So yeah, my cousin advised me don't take a flight because you have a lot of things, and you know, flights will charge you for all the luggage that you actually carry. So it's just gonna waste a whole bunch of money. But imagine wasting money but saving time, because time is money. Because with the flight, guys, it is literally 2 hours away. Marange Pass, it's literally 20 hours away. So I don't think it makes logical sense. Plus my mom is like, she still has to go with me, and obviously we still have a lot of expenses, guys. Like, just traveling is gonna be an expense. Food, not food for like the whole trip, no, food for when I arrive at my place. Electricity, because I think that place, the lease says I have to top up my own electricity, but they pay water, and apparently it's not near, what do you call this, shuttles, I think. So I have to actually have transport money. So that is why I also decided not to go out with my cousin anymore, because I just saw but the 300 that I had budgeted for eating is gonna help me. So I'm trying to be financially wise. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited for this. This is like a new milestone for me. Like, I'm so excited. It's not even funny. I'm very consistent on Insta more than on any app, and I've been trending on TikTok, guys. I don't know if you guys saw, but I've been trending on TikTok for the hair fade, which my man fixed. Hey Betty, uyazenzela. You go in the kitchen and cook up a bad bitch. Period. I will don't be. We expect your girl to just be a baddie. He just said, now baby, cut off the blonde part. We're gonna fix it, my girl. We're gonna fix it. And he was like, come over to my place. 8 and got 8. Period. This video is gonna be so long because I've been talking for 20 minutes straight. And all the shit I said here is important. So what am I gonna cut off? Oh no. My skin looks good. Here. I have a few dark spots. Pimples have popped. Because one thing about me, I am so obsessed with popping pimples. I'm very obsessed. So is my man. I had a pimple here. Yeah, guys. You know, I've wasted 20 minutes just talking instead of like taking us 20 minutes and doing something productive. I'm done for the day, you guys.
I just wanna take you there. You don't gotta know